need Santa to figure that out?
Yes. What about the time we made dinner for everybody? All right, everybody, I brought the turkey.
That dinner was a bust, and I was spitting feathers for a week. Blah!
Now this looks promising. Okay, bros, we definitely deserve a Boba break. And Bandman, you love this stuff, right? Want to grab the first round?
Affirmative, my adult male sibling. 3 Boba, please.
That'll be 9 money.
Is it just me, or is Panda acting kind of weird today?
Maybe he woke up on the wrong side of the box.
Here you go, my siblings. 1 Boba for Ice Bear, 1 Boba for Grizzly Bear.
That's weird. Panda almost never mixes up our names.
Ice, we're not quite ready for new identity.
What's corndogs? Whoa! What's up, fellow kids? Want a corn dog? I found them in a hole.
Cooking time, I'm feeling fine. No better way to start my day. Cooking time is pie rhyme. Eggs and bacon is the side of a plate. And every day is a solid game. Chicken is the game I play. Cooking time is a wonderful story. And nothing ever gets in my way. And nothing ever gets in my way. Yeah.
Looks like there's nobody here.
Ooh. That means we can squat here, right?
That is right, Grizz, my man. Look at this place. No rent, fully furnished, and we can eat like kings without ever getting ripped off at the grocery store. Dig in, boys!
One, two. Best food ever. Uh-huh. So good. Yeah. Ground beef, ribeye, steak, no fries, burgers, no cheese, dairy makes me cry. Double-decker sandwich, bacon on rye, but when I get really hungry, it's pie pie.
That's right! I am strong!
Now you're talking.
My name is Panda, and I'm a proud vegetarian!
Yes, be proud, Panda.
Yeah. Thanks, talking can of veggies!
Go get him, tiger.
And what are you doing, little bro?
Ice breeding Tongue Young until he goes fully spherical.
Ooh.
Man, Fiesta Day is the best!
Don't you just wish every day could be Fiesta Day?
Fiesta Day every day? Now that would be a dream come true.
It ain't no thing.
Seriously, if it weren't for you, we'd still be stuck in Crab World!
Crab World had some perks.
Who knew the poke remains of our enemies could taste so good?
Tastes like the ocean. And victory!
Our little bro is something else! Fights like a superhero and cooks like an all-star chef.
People fear Ice Bear's skills and cooking utensils.
#1 chef! #1 chef! Little bro is the king!